So you're getting water in the floorboard of your car when you're running your AC. This is going to be a 2010 Ford Edge. Don't even know if this is going to be this car's specific problem, but this is just going to be the first thing I'm going to check real quick, and hopefully this will help y'all out if you are having this issue. Your AC box, your evaporator sweats, and the water has to go somewhere. Your AC box has a drain, and it's pretty common for the drains to stop up. So on your Ford Edge, driver's side, you're going to look over by your fuel pedal. We're going to work this carpet back down out of our way, and we're looking for that hose right there. So you can get dirt daubers built up in here and anything else. What we're going to do is we're going to disconnect this hose. When we disconnect it, if water comes flowing out, then our clog is in this piece, and we'll blow that out. If not, the clog may be further up or on up in the HVAC box. So we'll either use compressed air or a vacuum to clear this tube. So, might not be able to get it. Nothing. So that may not be this vehicle's problem, but what we want to do, we're going to go ahead and put a shot back on this line right here to pull through, just to make sure there's not a light clog. And if there is, hopefully it'll pull it through. So we didn't get any water on this one, so that might not be this customer's problem, but I want to go ahead and make this video because this is pretty common and I've seen it happen a few times. Super easy to check, so hopefully this will help you if you are running this problem. Just if you're hearing water slushing, or if you're getting water in your floorboards when the AC is running. If you're getting water when it's raining, that's a different story, but if you're getting water on you when the AC is running, you'll want to check this out. Pull this tube out, clean both of them, and hopefully that'll have you fixed up. If you found this useful, hit that like and subscribe button.